In this video, we're going to look at energy. We're going to cover what energy is, what energy conversions are, kinetic energy, a few of the different types of potential energy, and a few other types of energy. Energy is a pretty hard word to describe what it is, and different scientists working with energy have different definitions depending on what exactly the type of energy they're working with is. But the definition that we're going to use is that energy makes things happen. Okay? Conversely to that, nothing can happen without energy. So we've been looking at forces so far, and forces are created by energy. Energy is measured in the unit of joules, and the symbol for that is a capital J. And as you'll see from this video, there's lots of different types of energy. Where energy becomes really useful to us is when we can convert energy from one form into another form. We can't create energy or destroy energy, but we can convert it from one form to another to make it useful to us. And we call this energy conversion. So the first type of energy we're going to look at is kinetic energy. And kinetic energy is moving energy, the energy of movement. So whenever something is moving, it has energy. And that type of energy is the kinetic energy, or the moving energy. And how heavy it is and how fast it's going affect how much energy it has. Potential energy, on the other hand, is stored energy. It's energy that's stored and has the potential to be transformed into other forms of energy if it's used. And there's a couple of different types of potential energy. We have chemical potential energy, which is found in the bonds between molecules and atoms. And here we have chemical energy being turned into heat and light energy. We have nuclear potential energy, which is found in the nucleus of an atom, and when released, releases a lot of energy that gets turned into other forms, such as heat. Gravitational potential energy is another form of potential energy, and when an object is at a height above the ground, it has gravitational potential energy, so that when that object is let go of, it gets pulled back to the ground, and that energy is turned into kinetic energy, moving energy. And I've mentioned a couple of the different types of energy throughout this video already, but some of the other types of energy we have are heat energy, so when things are hot, they have energy. Light energy, which is the energy of light. If it comes from the sun, we can call it solar energy, but light energy may also come from a light globe or a fire or candle. Electrical energy, which is a tricky one because you can't see electrical energy. You can only see the effects of electrical energy and how we transform that into other forms of energy. And sound energy, which is the vibration of the air that causes us to hear sounds. In this video, we've looked at energy and come up with somewhat of a definition of energy, in that energy makes things happen. We've looked at conversions, so harnessing energy and changing between different forms of energy for the benefit of us. We've looked at kinetic energy or moving energy. We've also looked at potential energy, which is stored energy, and it can be stored in a number of different ways. And we've looked at a few other forms of energy.